Hey guys, I am here to show you a pre-owned and I'm pretty excited, as I always am, but it is in great condition. I'm going to find out what year it is, but it is a SALEM. It has 2 doors and it's a bunkhouse. So if you're looking for something that's at a great price that looks amazing, this might be the one for you. So let's take a look from the outside in and you guys let me know. We got the SALEM Cruise Lite. It is a 2022. The model is 263BHXL. Let's see, we've got one long slide and we've got 2 doors. As I mentioned, 2 doors I love 2 doors, just especially when you have kiddos, because then you have that option for them to come in a different door. You've got a nice long awning with speakers out front, and let's see what's in here. Let's see. You've got a griddle and a fridge. Looks like it's brand new, to be quite honest. So great quality over here. And then of course you can plug in your TV as well. And then you have your backup camera prep. This unit is in a really great condition. Honestly, it looks really, really good. I don't see any like dents or anything like that. It just looks really nice. But let's take a look inside. All right. So inside is also in really good condition. You got great floors, countertops. It just looks brand new, actually. So right here we have our couch. Of course, the way this couch works is this can actually go on this side, giving you this couch. Of course, all of this can turn into a bed, but you can switch this around facing that direction and you have one big U-shaped dinette. Okay, it can also be taken off, and then this can be turned into a bed as well, and it can be one long huge couch or even one long bed. But the way it's set up right now is also really, really nice because you have people that can sit here. You got this L shape now for this couch, and of course it all points to the entertainment right there, which, by the way, this looks so nice. The wood and everything looks great. You've got your fireplace, you've got storage here. It does really look nice. On this side you've got a nice L shaped kitchen area with a really nice and big sink right here. Plenty of counter space. You got a 3-burner, you got your oven, and you got your microwave. On top of that, of course, you do have storage as well. And again, lots of space here. And then up here as well. You've got a nice big fridge right here. Of course, you're going to have plenty of room to put all your goods. It's really, really nice and big, nice and clean. And then you do have a nice big pantry as well. Plenty of area here. On this side, you do see that you've got 2 bunks and the stairs to go right along with it. And then, of course, that privacy curtain that goes around. They're actually quite wide, so 2 people could sleep here and here. And then, of course, you've got that window on that side, which it does have the emergency latch on it, so it could be pushed out. But lots of space, a lot of space here. I really like this unit. And then you've got a nice big shower now, or a bathroom with a nice big shower. It actually is quite big. And then, so plenty of area in here. And of course, that's where your door is. And then you do have the nice sink. And, oh, here we go. Almost broke it. But a nice area for medicine or any other small things that you want to put in there. But you got storage underneath as well. But this bathroom is quite big. You got plenty of room, plenty of space to sit down and do your thing. All right, down here we've got the master bedroom. All right, plenty of room to walk all the way around. You got cubbies on both sides and plenty of space to put down whatever you might want, like a cup or books or whatever that may be. You've got those side tables. Plus you have an area to hang up your clothes. You also have a little ledge right here that you could put some books or clothes or whatever you might like. And then you do have lights as well. So if you like to read at night, there you go. Plenty of space in here. I love the fact that you can walk all the way around. You can put your entertainment up here as well. But what do you guys think of this unit? What do you think? And if you do want information, of course you can reach out. I don't think I showed you, but you've got storage under there, storage under both those seats as well. So in this unit, you do have a ton of storage. If you want more information, give me a call or come see me. It's Funtown RV in Waco. I believe, yes, it is. The price right now is amazing. It's $25,987. I mean, such a great price for a brand, like it looks like it's brand new. It doesn't look like they ever really used it. But if you want more information, of course, my information is in the description. Come see me, Funtown RV in Waco. Ask for Rachel, or you can call, text, or email. All right, guys, until next time.